In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out item on Amazon.uk. By the end, you'll know how to move from the home page to a confirmed purchase using the Buy Now button on the UK site quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and head to amazon.co.uk. Confirm you're on the UK storefront by checking the .co.uk address and the currency in pounds. If you already have an Amazon account, make sure you're signed in so your default delivery address and payment method are ready. If you're not signed in, Amazon will prompt you during checkout. Let the home page load. Featured deals often rotate. On the home page, find the featured product or highlighted area and click it to open the product page. Take a quick moment to review the essentials: the title, images, price, delivery estimate, and who it's sold and dispatched by. Make sure it's the exact model or version you want and check availability so you know it can ship when you need it. When everything looks right, you're ready to buy. Before you commit, take a brief pause on the product page. Estimated delivery appears near the price and reflects your address and any membership benefits you have. If faster shipping is available, you'll see it there. Glance at the returns and warranty information so you know how issues are handled and confirm the seller looks trustworthy. It's also a good habit to check that your browser shows a secure connection with the padlock icon in the address bar. On the product page, locate the Buy Now button. This option is built for speed. It uses your default delivery address and payment method to place the order. Click Buy Now. Depending on your settings, Amazon may ask you to confirm details like the delivery address, a payment method, or a brief security check, such as a card code or two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts. Once the order is placed, you'll see a confirmation screen and get an email with your order details. Give it a quick read to verify the item, price, shipping speed, and delivery address. If anything looks off, use the order details page to fix or cancel before it ships. That's it. You opened amazon.co.uk, clicked the highlighted product to reach its page, and completed the purchase with Buy Now. Keep these tips in mind each time, and you'll check out quickly while staying in control of the details. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.